Hi, welcome to our Matchmaker video series. This episode is going to continue working with the ranks. Now, we're going to start by trying to analyze how good our matchmaking algorithm is performing when it relates to our player ranks. To be able to measure the distance between player ranks, we're going to assign an integer value to each rank. We'll start from bronze to grandmaster, from 0 to 6. This will allow us to simply subtract the ranks between players to understand how far they are from each other in the ranking. When we subtract the ranks, we need to use the absolute value function in order to avoid negative values. If we look at the results we got now, we can see that we have pretty bad match based on ranking, since we have most players being matched one rank distance, and we even have some players being matched at 6 rank distance. Let's fix that by only matching players that have the same rank. Let's look at our matching algorithm. In the previous algorithm, we were extracting 2 players at a time from the queue, and then we will just simply match them without looking at any ranking or properties. For the new algorithm, we're going to need a cache where we're going to park our player until we find another player with the same rank. We create a dictionary that maps ranks to players in the cache. Now the only thing we need to do is check if we already have a player with the same rank in our cache, and if that's the case, we have a match and we remove we clean up the cache. Otherwise, we need to add that player to the cache and wait until we find someone with the same rank. After we run our new algorithm, we can look at the values that are still in the cache and see that there was still a diamond and a master player that didn't get matched.
We can also notice now the max waiting time. It's much larger. 1085 seconds is equivalent to 18 minutes. And this is If we look now to our plot of the waiting times, we can see it's most of it very low, but it's really hard to read and understand what is going on here. So we're going to improve that. We're going to convert this bar chart into a box chart. That will allow us to interpret the values much better. What we managed to improve with our algorithm changes is that now only people with the same rank are matched together. So the difference between ranks of match players is 0 for everyone. Let's fix now our waiting times visualization. We'll convert this bar chart into a box and whiskers, I think it's called, chart. Here we'll be able to see much better where are the majority of our users regarding waiting for to be matched. We can see now that 99% of our users actually get matched in under 400 seconds, maybe around 350. That's around 5 minutes or just over 5 minutes. That's quite reasonable time. Feel free to play around with these numbers. I'll add a link to a GitHub repo with the whole code. For the next video, we'll look into adding extra variable to our player, a role, and have match with more than one player in each team. See you then. Thank you for watching. Bye.